Bidet.
Mungkin na lapay.
Everyone, please get inside.
Si Madam. Ini kaya.
Bati. Ano?
Alright, everyone, good afternoon.
Okay lang kung dalaga.
So, after the break, how was your lunch break? Good? Not bad? Okay. Now, this time we will proceed for spontaneous, everyone. We will proceed for spontaneous speaking competition. Now, when we say spontaneous speaking, what comes to your mind? How do we define spontaneous speaking? Look.
40.
Why? So can anyone of you tell me the definition of spontaneous or spontaneous speaking? Continuous. Alright. Yeah, we stand alone. How do you define spontaneous?
Continuous speak.
Alright, get to that.
Continuous.
Any idea?
Continuous.
Good. None?
Continuous.
Alright. Hello. Alright. Okay. Now when we say spontaneous speaking, it means done by one or a person's own idea. So own free idea or person's own free choice. Doesn't happen without planning, or when we say it's a natural feeling from one person's idea. Alright, now we go to
Presentation.
Miss April. Now we are going to introduce the contestants of this competition.
Okay, I would like to introduce to you our board of judges. First judge is, he lived and traveled extensively throughout North America and Asia. He also worked as a teacher in 4 different countries. And also, a formerly managed and owned several English language schools in Asia. In China, I mean. He is Finn. Okay, our next judge he is a radio announcer in IFM 94.3. Are you listening to him every night? And a graduate of BS Accountancy CSA B. No other than Sir Arvin, our assistant manager of the school. Next judge or last judge he is tall, dark, and never mind. It's no other than our manager of the school, Sir Mark. Okay, let's give a round of applause for judges. Okay. Now, let's go for the criteria of judging.